Hello everyone, welcome to One by One, where I'm on a mission to make handmade fashion cool again. I feel handmade products are very unique and can easily be altered according to your own style. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a crochet bikini top. I saw these super cute tops with beads on Pinterest and really wanted to make one for myself. So let's get started. All you need is a ball of yarn. I'm using acrylic here because it's very easy to use, and a crochet hook passed down by my mom 15 years ago, and some acrylic or glass beads. So firstly, I'll show you how to make a slip knot. You basically put the longer strand over the shorter one and pull the longer strand through. To check whether you have made a successful slip knot, pull the longer strand of yarn, and if it easily pulls, you are good to go. After you have successfully made your slip knot, put some yarn over your finger and then put the hook through the slip knot you have just made. For the second step, we are going to make a chain of 15 stitches. For a chain stitch, you need to put the yarn over the hook and pull through the first knot. Again, you need to put the yarn over the hook and pull through the knot. And then you keep on simply repeating. Now that you have made a chain of 15, you need to measure your size. The chain of 15 should cover from your underbust to the center point of your bust. You can increase or decrease the number of chains according to your size. For the third step, you are going to skip the first 2 stitches and make a double crochet on the third. To make a double crochet, you need to put the yarn over the hook, pull through one, and then again put the yarn over the hook, pull through 2 stitches on the hook, and then again take the yarn and pull through 2 stitches. Again, we repeat the same step. Pull through the yarn once, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll keep on doing this till the last stitch. I'll meet you at the end. Once we have reached the last stitch, we are going to make 3 double crochets in the very same stitch. This is going to be a turning point or the triangle of our bikini cup. So here I am making the first double crochet. In the very same stitch, I'll make a second double crochet and then the third. I'm going to chain 1 and then make 3 more double crochets in the same stitch to create the triangle. Step 6 is very simple. In the very next stitch, we are going to make a double crochet and keep on making double crochets till the very end. You simply pick the next stitch and make a double crochet and keep on repeating. I'll see you at the very end stitch. Once you've reached at the end, you'd like to turn your work and then make 3 chains. Skip the very first stitch and then double crochet in the second stitch. This will create the row number 2. We'll repeat the same process of making double crochets till the very end. Once we reach the end point where we had added 3 double crochets and a chain, once you reach the point, we'll add 2 double crochets this time. I'm showing you the loop here. It's going to be very evident. So you're going to add 2 double crochets here this time. And then make a simple chain, 1 single chain, and then add 2 more double crochets in the very same stitch. Then you will continue making double crochets from the next stitch till the very end. Step 11 is very simple. You just keep on repeating step 7 to step 10 and keep adding more rows until your desired coverage. Here I have made 10 rows to give me full coverage, but it is totally up to you and your preference. So once you have completed all the steps, you will have a triangular piece which will be your first bikini cup, and you will like to repeat the same steps to get your second bikini cup. Here I have both my bikini cups, and now I'd like to show you how to connect both these panels. So once we have both the panels ready, I'll show you how to connect the panels and also add the straps at the shoulder and at the sides. Here I'm trying to look how can I attach the beads that I had shown earlier. I'd like to suggest that before stitching down the beads, you should definitely play around with the placement for the final desired look that you want. I'm just adding a line of double crochet to connect both the panels. So once I've reached the very last stitch of the first panel, I'm going to put the panel down and then reach for the very first stitch of the second panel. I'm going to put the yarn over the hook and then put the hook in the very first stitch and then simply make a double crochet. So in order to make straps for the shoulder and the sides, you simply need to make a chain of 120 or more stitches. It is totally up to you what sort of length are you going for. Here I simply stitch down the beads on the straps and we are good to go. The top is ready. Here's the final look. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see more variations of crochet bikini top, because I have hundreds and hundreds of ideas. Do let me know. Thank you for watching.